So guys, in today's video, previously we started our new series about the Django, and in today's video we are learning about the Django 404 page not found. Okay, so get ready for that. And in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about it. What are page in the Django, what are 404 page not found? It is called a one error. Okay, but what type of error in the video I will told you that. So see the video start to end, and please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our future latest videos. So now, I do not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. Guys, in today's one video of the Django, I am telling about the Django 4v4 page not found. So let's get started. Page not found. If you try to access a page that does not exist a 404 error, then Django directs you to a built-in view that handles 404 errors. You will learn how to customize this 404 view later in the next in this chapter. But first, just try to request a page that does not exist. In the browser, type 127.0.0.1 ratio 808080 slash masfdfg slash in the address bar. You will get one of two results. Like one is like that, not found. The request result was not found on the server. And number 2 is like that. Here you can see it. If you got the first result, you got directed to the built-in Django 404 template. If you got the second result, then debug it set to true in your settings, and you must set it false to get directed to the 404 template. This is done in the settings.py file, which is located in the project folder. In our case, the my tenant club folder will also have to specify the host name from where your project runs from. In this example, we are set the debug property to false and allow the project to run your local host. In this example, in the syntax, here you can see it. Important. When debug equals to false, Django requires you to specify the host you will allow the Django project to run from. In production, this will be replaced with the proper domain name. In the browser, type this address bar and you will get the built-in 404 template like that. Here you can see it. Customize the 404 template. Django will look for a file named 404.html in the templates folder and it display when there is 404 error. If no such file exists, Django shows the not found that you saw in the example above. To customize this message, all you have to do is to create a file in the templates folder and name it 404.html and fill it whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, you can fill it in that file. And when I fill it, I fill it in here, I fill it the oops, I cannot find your file requested. In my HTML file, I will be put like that. You write here anything, okay? It's your own choice. In the browser window, type this address bar and you will get the customized 404 template. Let me show you. Run it. When I run it from here, so then when I run it, so it gives you the output like here, oops, I cannot find your request. Okay, then you will find the request, and here in this diagram is also telling you, oops, I can't find your request, and here in my example it is also saying me, oops, I cannot find a request. Here you can see it. So in today's video, this very small video, because in today's video we just learn about the Django 4v4 page not found. Many problems has become in that, so that's why I have made the video about that. So but I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss our future latest videos. And I appreciate your support today. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friend know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole plate yet, so move on to the CodeWithPk.com, my YouTube channel, so you can easily access and bookmark it also. So for today, goodbye.